Well, hello there! What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog! So, this year I'm starting film school, and today was my first day. I had math this morning, and this afternoon I have other classes, and I wanted to make a vlog today, so here I am, making a vlog, but as you may have noticed, I'm talking in English. So why did I decide to switch my YouTube channel in English? I'm Belgian, I talk in French, all my friends and family talk in French, so why did I decide to switch my YouTube channel in English? There are two reasons. First, as you may know, I post a lot of photographs on Instagram, and a few photographers around the world saw my work and did like it. And they checked out my YouTube channel, but the problem is that they were not understanding a word of what I was saying, considering my YouTube channel was in French. So they asked me to switch my YouTube channel in English. And the second reason why I am switching my YouTube channel in English is because I always say that constraints lead to creativity. And I saw that as an opportunity to express my creativity in a better way and to inspire you guys in a better way, considering my goal is to inspire you. So I saw that as an opportunity to make better vlogs. So here I am switching my YouTube channel from French to English. And as you may know, I already posted something like, I don't know, 60 vlogs, and since I am switching my YouTube channel in English, that's a big changement for me. So this episode is the first one of the season 2 of my vlogs.
To the mountain.
So yes, welcome to season 2, and I am on the platform cause I like being on the platform and I take advantage of the last days of summer. And by the way, if you wanna see how I built this platform, you can click right there. So if you never watched any of my videos, I am a self-taught photographer, videographer and YouTuber, so you can follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description. So I try to make the best content as I can. I make some vlogs, some tutorials about photography, about videography, so if you are new to the channel, welcome aboard. I hope you will enjoy my content. And now, before to end the vlog, I gotta cut some wood. Cause even though we are still in summer, winter is getting closer and closer. That's it for what I wanted to say today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, a comment, subscribe and share the video. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Shoo shoo.